fish over 40 inches in a day and a half of fishing. Get a close up on him here.
I heard another drag. Oh yeah, that's good there.
That's a good one.
Yours getting it?
Yep, let him run. I just started it.
Okay, my phone
Stick the rod right down the hole.
But I didn't know how long I'd have since yours just died.
Well, my battery died. So I don't know.
Just keep it low, Casey. He's got to be close to 40, huh?
He's pretty thick.
He's like a big fish,
Yeah. Park ranger.
White cop's gonna pull us over.
Extreme park
Put your
rangering.
rod down and step away from the hole. No. Put a 40-inch pike on.
No. Ooh, nice fish. Nice fish. Nice fish. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Just look at your hand. Oh. Right here yet.
Just switch. Turn her around here.
Not ready yet. Got a good hook on her, so.
Oh yeah, right in the corner of the mouth.
Real
always.
Good, real good hook.
That's incredible.
I ain't at one bit worried about losing
This fish films real well.
Confident in the hook set.
Nice and thick. That's a nice fish.
Close up on her.
Nice fish.
That's a magnum there. Open your gills up.
The ice is getting thick enough where you can't see him underneath anymore.
This is our 6th fish of the day. He's out there a little ways now.
It's not even noon yet.
And if we get her in, it'll be our 4th fish over 40 in a day and a half.
That's less than 24 hours.
There you go.
There you go. Dandy. Dandy.
Oh.
You still got him.
She didn't like that.
No. Well, I didn't even touch it.
It went off.
Yep.
Hit the red button again.
No, it shut right off camera.
Nope. There we go.
Ooh. Is it going, Casey?
Yep. No, I don't know what it's doing. My hand is...
Shut off again?
Yep.
Must be out of memory or something. Hit the red button again.
It took me to that. I didn't even...
It's sitting there. I got it out here at him. Not the whole fight, but...
Okay.
We can piece them together because I got the first 5 minutes. And mine shut off.
Sat right next to the hole there.
No.
If there was a time to land it, it was right then.
Going now, huh?
Yeah.
We got one on here about 40 inches, folks. Our 4th fish over 40 inches in a day and a half of fishing. I just about got her to the hole here. We're gonna land her.
All within 50 yards of each other.
Maybe it's the same fish.
You gotta start marking
They're
these
really
things.
hungry. Come on. We got a good hook set right in the corner of the mouth. I ain't one bit worried about losing this fish. That automatic fisherman hooked her right in the corner of the mouth where they always hook them. You don't get any bite offs.
Don't let it flare.
I got her now, folks. Look at this fish.
That's a big one.
Oh.
Oh man, that fish
That might be the
is
biggest
gotta
one
be
yet.
Oh.
below. Below.
Whoa.
That's a nice fish.
That's 40.
That fish is all 40, and that fish has got to be close to 20 pounds. I ain't kidding you. That thing has got some chunk to it.
Yeah, that's a big
Look at that fish. Get a close-up.
Good pretty fish.
We're gonna get a picture of that fish. We're gonna let her go. All right, you can push